It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
Hey guys, welcome back. For today's video, we're doing something kind of different. I have a second chair here, and that is because I'm collabing with...
Hi guys.
Nick from Instant Influencer. Nick was my partner. He also won Instant Influencer.
Perfect disaster.
Most of you guys know Moriah Elizabeth came up with the concept of Squishy Makeovers, and Nick has actually never painted a squishy in his life.
I don't know what like a squishy is. I just watched Marissa's channel, so like I kind of get it, but I don't know what how do you make a squishy? I don't even know what a squishy is.
In today's video, I'm gonna be showing Nick everything I know about painting squishies.
Wait, are we competing against each other?
I don't think we're prepared for a competition.
Yeah, I was gonna say, this is pretty one-sided. Wait, actually, why am I even here?
You're gonna do an amazing job.
Oh, thanks, Zoe. Alright, I'm ready. Let's do it. Let's do it.
These are the squishies that I have for Nick. I'm so happy you like the elephant.
He's really cute.
I don't like the elephant.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
They don't get names until you paint them.
Is that really how it works?
He barely exists right now. He's just a shell of an elephant.
So what's like a cute squishy? Your cutest squishy.
You can choose which one you like the most.
Cutest squishy. Okay, this one's kinda... That one's really small. So he's... Are these... Can I touch them?
Those are not squishies.
Oh, really?
Those are clay.
Oh, wow. I don't even know what a squishy is. Is this a squishy? This one looks like it took a lot of effort.
I love that one. You've actually picked like one of my favorites.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, Marissa, I think the elephant's the cutest one.
Thank you. Okay, so let's open the options.
Okay, this one's really cute. Oh, this one's really cute. What? Okay, I actually kind of like this one. I think this one's my new favorite. Okay, yeah, this one's my new favorite.
Isn't this so cute? A bunny with a donut. This one, I think, is gonna be your favorite. Oh my god.
This is well packaged.
Very difficult to open. Oh my god. He's very strong.
You know what, Marissa? I don't know. I gotta say, bunny has my heart.
You like the bunny?
I like the bunny, but I want to use this squishy.
You want to use this one?
Yeah. Is that okay?
Oh yeah, no, it's totally fine. You can choose whichever one you want. I feel like this one has a lot of possibilities.
Okay,
so
yeah.
I feel like it's a good first squishy.
Okay.
Out of these options, I think I'm going to choose the bunny. If you were choosing this cat.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with the cat.
Let's get started painting these two squishies then. This is an essential step because if we don't sand it, the paint will not adhere and you'll get like bubbles everywhere.
Really?
Yeah. So let's sand.
Okay. Oh my god, I feel so bad doing this to this poor little squishy. Just everywhere? Will you start seeing damage to it?
Depends on the quality.
Of the squishy? Yeah, this is good quality squishy.
Thank you.
Oh, Marissa, I did not mean to do that. I don't know how it happened. I was really just sanding it and it broke.
We can fix that.
Can we?
It's just gonna be a little more work. Usually I do squishy repairs on squishies that are already damaged, but you have damaged this one, so...
Aren't they supposed to be durable?
They're foam, Nick.
Well, you know what's my address? Are you okay?
I sanded my hands.
Oh my god.
Alright, I think we're done with this. Next step. The next thing I usually do is take out a scissor and cut off the excess seams.
This is kind of satisfying. Like, how's his seams looking?
I feel like the seam on this side could use... Sorry, I'm like taking over for you. I probably
You're
should
just
do
like,
this. I'm not gonna help you anymore.
What?
No more help so you can actually experience it.
I've already betrayed my squishy.
Well, not really. I have certainly sanded and ripped a squishy.
It's literally, look at his neck. Poor squishy.
The poor guy.
I think I'm already faster than you, Marissa.
I'm very thorough at cutting seams.
Well, mine came seamless. I think I'm gonna do a scary kitty squishy. Scary kitty squishy. Scary squishy. That's impossible to say 3 times
It's very
fast.
hard to say once. Scary kitty squishy. Scary kitty squishy.
Scary kitty squishy.
Scary kitty squishy. Scary kitty squishy.
Oh, you said it!
Did I say it?
Yeah,
I don't even know what I'm saying. Our squishies are mostly white already, but it's good to just start with a good base coat, everything having the same texture and color. White. Should we plug these in?
Yeah,
probably.
Let's do it. Yeah,
that's the only way it's gonna work. Yeah. Take a paintbrush.
This one.
You can't re-choose.
What?
Where is your squishy, Nick?
Oh, it's over there.
We should probably wipe all of the excess.
Yeah, just wipe it right onto me. You're like, we should probably wipe everything. I love how like careful you hold it. You're like this, like hold it.
It's like a baby. We have to be very gentle. You can only really paint one side at a time.
Until it's completely white.
Until the whole thing is completely white. That's the goal. White matte paint. I just squirt it right on. This is probably the messy way to do it.
Okay. So how many coats do you think it takes? Like 3-ish?
Probably 3.
Okay.
Probably 3. My only suggestion just be to make sure it's like even, especially on the face.
Yeah. Are these egg cartons?
Yeah, they're egg cartons.
Nice.
3, 2, 1. Guess what colors Nick is going to use? You were right.
You were right.
You were right. Spider Kitty.
Yes.
That's really cute.
Yeah, I'm gonna make Spider Kitty.
I think that's gonna work really well. Spider Kitty.
Right?
Spider-Man as a cat, obviously.
This is so dangerous.
I know. One time I had this like stick. I'm not even exaggerating. I had this up like this. It was on my desk. I went to bend down and it stabbed me right here. I was like, and I like ran out to my mom. I was like, I almost just died.
I'm just gonna go right in.
Yeah, go for it.
This is good, right?
Oh yeah, I think that might be good. Oh shoot!
Oh, Marissa.
No! I'm gonna put my hair back.
You
Remember
almost
when I
destroyed it.
painted my hair into a bun on the show?
Yes. Oh my god. Did you ever get all that paint out?
It took me like 2 hours.
Just washing it out?
Yeah, just like I had to use so much conditioner. Ooh, this is nice! I like this color!
Oh, that is really nice.
That's a cute color.
Imagine I just upload every Sunday a Squishy Makeover video.
I mean, I would watch it.
Would you?
Yeah, I
Okay,
love
guys,
Squishy
every
Makeovers.
Sunday,
It'd be fun to see what you would come up with.
I feel like it would all just be Spider-Man. I feel like it would all just be Spider-Man. I'll just be Spider-Man. What happened?
Okay, so I have finished my blue base coat, and Nick, I think you're almost done.
Yeah, I'm almost done with the blue. This blue is taking like 5 layers, but the red's kind of done.
Awesome, so you have basically your base coat. I'm gonna
Yeah.
start mixing some colors for my details. I think I'm gonna do a donut, obviously, because it's holding a donut. Drippy chocolate, tan donut, and then maybe do some like drippy chocolate on like the paws.
I like that. His hair tone is the blue, right?
His hair tone. One coat down.
Oh, that looks good. Here's my little Spider-Man kitty so far. His eyes are kind of cute. I just need to like put the black to really make it seem like he's Spider-Man and give his shoes, maybe make them red.
Strawberry frosted.
Yeah, you should do that because then that can allow you to use
The pink.
The pink, yeah.
The moment of truth.
I'm gonna try to just make webs. I'm like laughing because I'm so nervous. I'm really nervous.
Do it.
Okay. It has to be 1 stroke.
Oh my gosh. He's doing it.
Okay, that was kind of good. What? One more line.
Can he do it?
I'm like not breathing.
You're not breathing. Don't breathe.
Let's go.
That's great.
That's actually kind of cool. Can we do 3 for 3?
Don't breathe.
Oh, that one was a little shaky, but it's still pretty good.
Good. That's pretty good. For my Squishies details, I added strawberry frosting to the ears as well as sprinkles to the donut in pink, red, and purple. The bunny's eyes got quite chunky. To be honest with you, I messed up the whites of the eyes and it kind of went downhill from there. While I was adding some frosting to the bunny's feet, a tragedy strucketh.
Why? No. Look at that. It really messed it up. And then I got a little bit, it rubbed the ears too. It definitely got messed up. That's okay though. It's my first squishy. The second squishy I make.
Oh my god, I forgot the A. Alright, and here are the final squishies. We have Nick's Spider Cat, Spider-Man, Spider Kitty. Spider Kitty, of course. Here's the side-by-side. I think Nick did a pretty good job. And of course, we have my Strawberry Frosted Bunny. I don't have a name for it. Let me think. Bonnie. The bunny. For your first squishy ever,
Yeah.
I think that's literally amazing.
Oh, thank you.
If you want to see me on Nick's channel, we filmed a video for his channel. Hint, it has to do with candy, and you should totally check it out. I'm linking it below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye!
Peace.